Hi all, welcome to the new episode of Tech Insert. Today we will look into this type of soldering iron. I am using this iron specifically for SMD PCBs where print width is very less. This is a thermostat controlled soldering iron. The maximum power usage of this iron is 60 watt. You can change the temperature of this soldering iron from 200 degree to 450 degrees. While buying the soldering iron, you will normally get a pack of soldering bit too. I will show you that later. Subscribe to my channel for getting new videos like this. Also press bell icon so you will never miss any videos from my channel. Along with this soldering iron, you will normally get a transparent protective case which is used for protecting the tip of the soldering bit. If your soldering iron is accidentally falling or while you are placing it in a tightly packed bag or etc., this case will actually protect your soldering iron's bit. So always use this protective case while using this type of soldering iron. You can see the tip of this bit has the circumference of a pencil graphite lead. I am not using this iron frequently, but for soldering narrow PCBs I am using this iron. You can see a bunch of soldering bits which I received along with the soldering iron. There are different types of bits and all are related to wattage of the soldering iron. This bit is normally used for soldering heatsink leads, protective casing leads, etc. and the wattage we use will be maximum, which is 60 watt. These are different types of bits which we will be using in different application use cases. This bit is used for normal PCB soldering application. Pointed bits are used while soldering SMD PCBs or narrow printed PCBs, etc. Pointed bits are also good for soldering 18650 batteries because the heat contact area will be very less. Now I will show you how to replace bit in this type of iron. Here it is a bit different and easy. We need to lose this threaded outer part. This is the thermostat controlled heating element. Be careful while touching this because this will break easily. I have also made a video short on how to replace bit of another type of soldering iron. I will add the video link in the description box. That is also interesting to watch. Replacement of this bit is very easy. Just insert it inside the threaded outer case and tighten this threaded outer case in the soldering iron. If you have any suggestions, please comment on this video. If you like this video, please click like button. Gently tighten so that the tip will touch the filament. Please subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. That will be an encouragement to me for making more things like this to you. I will also add buying link in the description box. This is Tech Insert signing off. See you in another video. Till then, goodbye and please take care.